I'm Roy,
I'm Leanne.
and DBC did our kitchen, and we were really pleased with it because it was we were boxed in here, but they did our kitchen, and we're just very pleased with it. Just opened it up, and very nice. This is our third project with DBC. So the kitchen was first, the front porch was second, and the 2 bathrooms was third. So it's actually 4 projects. So. We hired DBC because they explained everything very well and came in and took care of everything. They closed everything off and draped everything and put plastic down on the floors and kept everything clean. The guys came in on time every day, left on time every day, cleaned up after they were gone, and we just didn't know they were here when we were here because they were quiet and very polite and just very conscientious about what they were doing. They do very good work, and if there's something's not right, they make it right away, and they always ask questions before they do it. Would you like it done this way or this way? And if it's not right, they fix it right away. So they're always making sure that we're happy with it before they leave.